Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to start your day the healthy way while keeping your weight loss goals on track, then stick around. In today's video, I'm going to show you 5 breakfast ideas that are perfect for boosting your metabolism and keeping you energized all morning long. Let's start with a super easy one, overnight oats with berries. It's a game changer. Simply mix rolled oats, almond milk, chia seeds, and a bit of honey or maple syrup. Leave it overnight in the fridge, and in the morning, top with your favorite berries. It's packed with fiber, antioxidants, and healthy fats, the perfect way to kickstart your metabolism. Next up, avocado toast with eggs. It's a classic, and for good reason. Avocados are rich in healthy fats that keep you feeling full longer, while eggs give you the protein you need to keep your energy high. This meal is both filling and delicious. Need something quick? Try a green smoothie. Blend up some spinach, banana, Greek yogurt, almond milk, and a scoop of protein powder. It's packed with vitamins and nutrients to power you through the morning, and it only takes a few minutes to make. How about a protein-packed breakfast that's also satisfying? Greek yogurt with nuts and seeds is an awesome choice. Greek yogurt provides a hefty dose of protein, while nuts and seeds offer healthy fats and crunch. Top it off with a drizzle of honey for that extra sweetness. Finally, a veggie-packed omelet. Load up your eggs with healthy vegetables like spinach, tomatoes, and peppers. Not only does this add flavor, but it also gives you fiber and essential nutrients to fuel your body throughout the day. These 5 breakfasts are not only healthy, but super easy to make. They'll keep you full, energized, and on track with your weight loss goals. Try them out and let me know in the comments which one you'll make first. If you found these ideas helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you never miss out on new tips and recipes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.